Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Tajofalltrades and today we're going to learn how to make a delicious cup of latte using instant coffee. So first we're going to start with some milk. We're going to get about a cup into a pot because I'm making a cup of coffee here, and we're going to let it boil. You're going to want that creamy frothiness. Here I'm using some instant espresso coffee and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. And about 1.5 teaspoons of that instant coffee. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of water to this mix and then really whip this. My aim is to really whip this, dissolve all of those solids, and get this coffee to turn from a dark brown into a really nice light brown, super creamy, fluffy, pasty mixture. The more you whip this, the more frothy your cup of coffee is going to be. So after you keep whipping, it's actually not that hard if you're using little water. Use as little water as possible to get this into a pasty mix. It's going to turn and change color. And after that, you're going to add it to that boiling pot of milk. Here I'm also going to rinse out whatever paste remains in my cup with a little bit of water. I'm not using more than 1/4 of my cup, like 1/4 cup of water, and the quarter is like the cup that I'm actually using, not like an actual measure. And I find that adding in like a little bit of this water cuts the richness of that milk as well, and boiling all of these things together for a little bit also takes away some of that bitterness of that instant coffee. So don't be worried if your milk is at the bottom of the pan, like if it's sticking a little bit. It's going to add some really nice caramelly notes to your coffee. So here you go, it's ready to pour, and it's going to be super frothy the more air you whip into that paste. And yeah, enjoy your really nice cup of instant coffee latte. Thank you to my wonderful cousin who taught me how to do this. She's so great and she really taught me this awesome recipe, and thanks. If you like this video, you can subscribe and stay tuned for more. Enjoy!